Mag-exercise muna tayo. Oh, malaki na yung tiyan ko. Little Bill is real.
A full body burn to warm up our body and get it into fat burning mode. First exercise is windmill. Exercise. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing out, spread your arms straight out to the side, legs and back straight. Rotate your torso as you engage your lower back to bend down to one side so that your lower arm touch your opposite foot. The upper arm should be pointing towards the sky. Try to get as much rotation of your torso and shoulders as you can, but make sure you're keeping your back flat and your core nice and tight.
15 seconds.
Your breath should quicken a little bit. You are doing good.
5.
Rest. Alright, 15 seconds rest until our second exercise, jumping jacks. Hop your legs out as you bring your hands overhead, then back down as you jump back to standing. Simple, but it is going to get you out of breath and start sweating. Exercise. Go faster for more calories burned. Also use this time to remind yourself of your goals and how this workout can get you closer to those goals. So no quitting, we're going to finish this together.
30 seconds. 15 seconds. 5.
Rest. Great work. And we're moving on to the third exercise, knee tap runner for more full body fat burn. Exercise. Start hopping with your feet apart, then raise one knee up as you twist your torso so that opposite hand is tapping the raised knee. Hop back down with both feet and repeat the same on the other side. Keep hopping, keep tapping. This is not just burning fat for your full body, but also training your side and lower abs. You're doing so amazing.